Hindi man pinapansin nung una ni Arla si JP, hindi man siya sumunod sa usapan nila nung una silang magkita, pero yung perseverance ni JP ang nanaig para sila'y magkakilala, para magmahalan.
Parang may may kislap na boom, siya na nga yun.
You're so pretty. Congratulations sa wedding. Oh my God!
Congratulations, Jamie and Arla!
Yan, sway. You will like my gift, my little surprise. Good at ka, I am sure. I love you. I love you too.
Parang I always feel safe pag nandyan siya around na pag simple tawid or simple step, kailangan hahawak ako. He'll make it a point na kailangan nakahawak ako sa kanya. Hindi ko alam kung nanineglect siya ng iba. I sometimes neglect, pero siya lagi niya nare-remember.
Una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord na binigay ka sa akin. At thank you rin sa iyo sa pag-unawa at pagmamahal mo sa akin. Oops! Bawal umiyak. Baka masira makeup.
New bag ulit ako. Thank you. Tsaka of course, most supportive yung letter. Sobrang na-touch ako. And it's really you. Tsaka it really shows na you really know me well.
Ready ka na ba maging Mrs. Sabado? Ako ready na maging asawa at maging ama ng magiging anak mo. Thank you, asawa ko. I love you.
Do you take JP here present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
JP, do you take Arla here present for your lawful wife according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church? Do you give yourself to her as your husband? Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
We always say na I love you, na hindi nawawala yun. Every day we say I love you to each other. And then at night, we always pray, which is sobrang important siya sa relationship natin, na we always thank God sa lahat ng mga blessings na binigay niya sa atin. And then, pati again, yung sinasabi ko like before, na yung mga challenges are also blessings kasi it makes us a better person, yung relationship natin together, stronger. And ayun, so after this, as I said kanina, I will continue to defend you, to be by your side. Ayun, hindi siya promises kasi feeling ko promises are sometimes meant to be broken. Pero this time, parang I will do it na I'll be your better half.